Building muscle is about more than just lifting weights. It starts with what's on your plate. Let's talk about how a healthy diet can help you achieve your fitness goals. Step 1. Prioritize protein. Protein is the building block of muscle. Your body uses it to repair and grow stronger after workouts. Think of it as fuel for your muscles. Great protein sources include chicken, eggs, fish, beans, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Aim for about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, try to eat 120 to 150 grams of protein every day. Step 2. Don't forget carbs. Carbohydrates often get a bad reputation, but they are essential for energy. When you work out, your body burns through glycogen, which comes from carbs. Eating enough carbs ensures you have the energy to power through those intense workouts. Opt for healthy carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, oats, and fruits. Try eating a carb-rich snack like a banana or oatmeal before hitting the gym. Step 3. Healthy fats are your friend. Fats aren't the enemy. In fact, they help regulate hormones like testosterone, which plays a vital role in muscle growth. Focus on healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Muscles are about 75% water. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, more if you're sweating during workouts. Step 5. Meal timing matters. When you eat is almost as important as what you eat. Eat a balanced post-workout meal within 30 minutes of exercising. This meal should include protein to rebuild muscles and carbs to replenish energy. For example, a grilled chicken wrapped with veggies and a piece of fruit makes a great post-workout option. Step 6. Track your progress. To know what's working, track your meals and workouts. There are plenty of free apps to help you log your food intake and monitor your protein, carb, and fat levels. Final tip: be consistent. Muscle growth doesn't happen overnight. Stick to a balanced diet, train regularly, and give your body time to recover. Eating for muscle building doesn't mean boring meals or crazy diets. Focus on whole, nutritious foods, and you'll see results over time. Let your plate be the foundation of your strength. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. See you next time.